talking about the politics much. This is therapy. You ever find yourself with a song stuck in your head? You want to come out and now come out. Find yourself, you find a certain rhythm or a song make your body move and you want it to move. You go talk about it. The power of music. You know, sometimes do a little sarcasm thing and just, no man, those words man, I just art, but you know my stance on this by now. Unless you're brand new to the channel. Whenever the topic comes up, there's normally huge resistance because other people simply don't want to face the reality. Right? Because if they face the reality, right, of how powerful music is and what it can do, then they'd have to look themselves in the mirror and say, damn, but we need deep into that too. Right? And sometimes we have to be realistic. All humans are limited by their knowledge and our experience. Some people just not get it there, man. Some people just not get it. Make you real talk. Think about it. It is frivolous to tell somebody about Pythagoras' theorem when they can't count to 10. No matter what you say, it just sounds stupid and it will be scoffed at. Try to break it down where most people can get it, but as I say, some people just not get it. And some people just choose to live in denial. The human brain is a powerful thing. You can actually spend your whole life living in denial. You have different type of power. We talk about power, and them just think about Andrew Holness, and think about Mark Holding and them people. Let me say, broaden the horizons. They have political power, like yes, Umbra and Marky Joe, them have political power. If a politician wanted to do something, he use laws. Him say, if you don't do this, you're going to get a ticket. And because you don't want the ticket, you do it. That's how politicians get their way. You have economic power. That one is self-explanatory. Somebody like Elon Musk and these people, they have economic power. Own this, control this, and pay for this, and then get this done, and then use money and get this done. But the power enough people that talk about is social power, the most underrated of all. It's defined as the influence that an individual or an organization have over other people. Very underrated. Social power. This is mostly what your favorite celebrities them have. And it's right across entertainment, by the way. But obviously Iron Man don't control, and Iron Man don't actively play a major part in Hollywood. So it would be a waste of time to talk about Hollywood because I talk to Jamaicans. But as it relates to Iron Man and the artists, yes, DJs have great social power. The ability to influence or have influence over others. This one, in my opinion, is the smoothest of them all, because economic power, that is very straightforward. The political power, very straightforward. But social power, that one day you don't have to use no law. It can still make people do what you want. Let me say that one more time. With social power, if you have it, you don't have to use the law, but you can still make people do what you want. Some people have multiple social power and economic power. Some have political and economic and social. I could break it down, man. When we start off with the story of the Pied Piper. You heard the story about the Pied Piper? June 26th, this is AD 1284, so you know it's a long time, better before even Wappy and Philip born. 130 children disappeared from a place called Hamlin. Disappeared, never to be seen again. People said they gone to the hills, people gone over here, so right. The story of the Pied Piper. Right. Remember that story there? Man, I play the flute and the children them walk behind him and youths walk behind him and then they gone forever, lost. The town Hamlin, right, they have a huge, right. Actually, look, it's an interesting place. Right. I'm just saying for broaden our horizons. Right. Sometimes, right, just love each up in America, Canada and UK. Go check out some other places, man. Check out some place in Africa and don't even need visa to go there. But no one going to hang outside other black people still, we know that. Right. But if you want to go check out certain places in Europe and them thing there, and if you check out some little small towns and have some fascinating history. Right. 130 children disappeared. Now we talk about the Pied Piper story and show you how it's very symbolic. Entertainers are modern day Pied Pipers. Interestingly enough, remember R. Kelly they call himself the Pied Piper of R&B, remember that? The Pied Piper. Right, R. Kelly was very skilled with a flute as well. And of course, R. Kelly, film situation. This man is, in my opinion, right, top 10 most all-around talented, right, person in the music ever. I think he's that talented. Between singing, producing, playing instruments and writing songs and all kind of things, R. Kelly have a superhuman level of talent. But as you know, him thing shaky. A matter of fact, to say R. Kelly has issues is an understatement. But I find it very interesting he called himself the Pied Piper of R&B. And also skilled with a flute. Now the story of the Pied Piper, like all long time stories and tales and legends, over time things add on and get take off but the base story has always remained the same. And them story, right, there's always a lot of symbolism and right, you have to see alright, there's a touch of parable to it. And in case you don't know or remember, a rat catcher went to the town Hamlin. He was supposedly so good with the flute, aka play music, that he could make rats come towards him. People say the flute was magical. The flute had magic in it, because when he played, all the rat were close to him. After him do him thing, right, the town people must accuse him, say, no, say, a craft you use, because look how much rat they bought, and you bring the rat them and now you try and use the headpound to get money. So them say they not pay him. He got upset. And out of spite, because of the money problem, they don't want to pay him for any work. He decided to start playing the flute, right, on the kids, the youths. Right. And as he played the flute and was walking out of the community, the people them start walk back at him. 130 of them never to be seen again. A very symbolic story in my opinion. Very symbolic. When them find some of the kids them who get left behind, they were disabled, so them physically couldn't walk and keep up with him. Or they were deaf and they couldn't hear the flute. Happened on the same day as a pagan holiday back then. Of course, scholars have many theories as to what happened. People say, well, maybe they go over here so, and maybe they go over here so. Because, when extraordinary things like that happen, people always look for a more mainstream, easier to accept, right, version. Because a man play a flute, and a play a flute so good that people just walk back time and go to our community. It's crazy, right? But let's look at the symbolism here. So enough of them long time story, you have to look on them for them symbolism and the facts, them are parables. You have to take this and read into this and know what that means. Right, what it's really trying to say. The Pied Piper story shows you that music is so powerful, it can capture the mind and lead people in a specific direction. Music targets the conscious and subconscious of the human brain. It's just words. It's just entertainment. I'm saying people are limited by their knowledge and their experience. I just saw it go. Right. There's no point even getting upset with people when then him just not get certain things. That's like getting upset, right, with a pit bull because he can't cook oxtail. That's unreasonable, right? Cooking oxtail is simply out of the depths of a pit bull. Music targets the conscious and subconscious of the human mind. Ironically, the same artist them brag say, when them endorse something, everybody go take it up. Me talk about this and the price jump through the roof. Me talk about this, every man want wear it. Me talk about this, every man do it. Me say don't do that and everybody stop do it. Or a man have to hide and do it. And the artist says so. And this applies to everything except badness. When it comes down to badness, no dog, no influence on that dog. That's those words man youth. I want to hear dog. And many quote unquote good people, quote unquote, also deny this because it make them sleep better at night. That way they feel like, well, now I'm sleeping at that because even though me and the artist do, and it's me I say, I just a little words, dog. But we know they care more about entertainment than they do their own homes, communities, and country. Man, I tell me about him criminology course in Winnipeg. No basic sociology course study can't fully understand how powerful and captivating the music really is. Scientists barely understand the human mind. I wonder if they realize how limited your so-called experts are. You know, when time them expose themselves when things like big same thing they come out and realize man up on TV attack, and then 2 years after, every single thing them that talk about was way off. Them don't know nothing. You can barely understand the human mind. The human mind and the human brain is far more complex, right, than you can ever imagine. We haven't even scratched the surface. We're not even scratched the surface. Right. Why do you think there's so many different school of thoughts? If them did really know what going on, there wouldn't be 15, 20 different school of thoughts, would there? There'd just be, I hate this. There is no school of thought that 2 plus 2 isn't 4. When it comes down to the mind and psychology and thisology and thatology, there are 20, 30 different school of thoughts. And all of them have the same. 15 different people with 15 PhD of 15 different school of thoughts. Stop make people trick on their brother. You don't need a PhD if you have common sense. So me pay them. In the military you want do a fitness test, alright. How much push-up you can do? Alright, how fast you can run this distance? But how do you really study and test the human mind? There are a few standardized tests, but I mean, let me say, limited. Your favorite so-called experts them are struggle to fix basic physical illnesses. Then them are going to figure out something like the mind. Music is about frequency, vibrations. I watched an interview with Kanye West once. You know, film thing already, sometime in and out. Right? But when he's in and he's on form, drop some gems. I heard him say, a producer can make the beat, right? The way how the producer make the beat can trigger, right, certain emotions in the people. A producer can make a dark beat, where when the person, when the user listen to the beat, it triggers off dark emotions in them. Him say the producer can make another beat to make trigger off happiness in somebody. The producer, you know. The man who make the rhythm, the beat, him can trigger feelings in our people, you know. Just by the way how he make the beat, you know. The producer and the artist can make a song with them know for a fact I go put people in a dark state of mind. And he can make a song with them know for a fact people are go in a happier state of mind, a more relaxed state of mind. And this is all done through music, frequency, vibrations. When you hear about vibrations and things, so just your phone in your pocket. Broaden your horizons. Frequency. When them say somebody operating on a high frequency, low frequency, high vibration, low vibration, well, if you don't know what I want. May I give you examples of how powerful and controlling music is over the human mind and body. You ever hear a song? You send up something, mind the business, and a song come on, and your body start move before you tell it to. Your body starts to move before you tell it to. It's almost as if the artist is a puppeteer and he now has control over your hands and your foot them. The story of the Pied Piper, the children were just walking behind him. He didn't have a rope. How would you get 130 people for do something? Normally, you'd have to beat up. What is slavery? You beat man and shackle him and use a whip and them thing there over him. That's how powerful the music is and social power is. Because with social power, you don't need a whip. You don't need no chains. You don't need to shackle nobody physically. When you control somebody's mind, you can actually control their body. As a matter of fact, the best way to control the body is to control the mind. Because that way you don't need no force. You don't need to buy no chain. You don't need to buy no gun put over their head. Once you control the mind, you control the body. And music can definitely control your mind. Song come on and you start move. You don't even want to move. Here's when it gets spooky. You tell your body to stop move and it still move. Come on, man. Well, not listen to me. What the crew them there? Patreon squad on there. PIA on there. Vulture squad one of there. One of there. I know someone there too, you know. Nah, left. You tell your body, say body, stop, move. And your body still move. That means music has tapped into a part of your brain, a part of your mind, that even you not tap into. Because you will tell yourself, say, stop, move. And you still a move. You are now fighting your own body. Something that you would think you have total control over. Music is just entertainment, bro. You can't make the body, you can't influence it. I'm gonna say I don't expect a pit bull to cook. Right, curry goat. Out of its depths. Maybe some people don't get this concept of music because they're just out of them depths. Yeah, but I did this course and I have this degree. Congrats. Next example. Them call it an earworm. Something that has baffled scientists. Then come out again, 15 different school of thoughts. When they say that, you know, them don't really know what going on. They can't even come to a conclusion as to what going on. There's no 15 different school of thoughts as to how a baby is made. There's no school of thought that says it's actually urine or touch the woman lungs and then the urine. No, there's nothing like that. So when they see too much different school of thoughts, that should tell you all they know. Baffled scientists, the earworm. You know what's an earworm? That's when time you can't get a song out of your head. The song stuck in your head and you sing the song. And you tell yourself, stop, sing this song. And you not stop. Let's use an example. Let's use Willy Bongs. Do the bong, do the bong. Everybody feel to the Willy Bong. So let's use that as an example. The song getting in your head. You tell yourself, stop singing the song. And you walk around and all the day all day. Do the bongs, do the bongs. And you say, yo, bro, you try to shit the song out of your head. Next thing you know, your hand start move. Do the bongs, do the bongs. I say, come on. Damn song won't come out of my head. You walk down the road. Do the bongs, do the bongs. Your friend said, I said, I want to hear my youth. I said, song stuck in my head, my youth. I know, my dad the Willy Bongs. What it make? You've lost control of your body. You've lost control of your mind. That's how powerful music is. You're telling yourself, stop singing the song. You're making people tell you, say something that can make you get upset with yourself because you can't stop the something. has no power and can't influence, whether positive or negative? That is ridiculous. You're having a full-on fist fight with your own body because it won't stop singing Willy Bones. You start get upset. And then you know go on your friend. You get real spooky now, you know. You go on your friend now. Do the bongs. And now this song getting in your friend head. And now you're your friend and cuss. And you come and sing Willy Bongs. I know me can't stop sing Willy Bongs. Like a virus. It's like an invisible virus that latch on to the human brain. Now the whole office. Now the whole garage. I say, do the bongs. Everybody have Willy Bongs. Want to say music can do what? Your leaders them a simpleton, man. People them want to bring pan TV. I did discourse in Winnipeg. Alright. Why you think them pay man too much money for endorse certain things? Why you think Chirac you did it too much money to endorse Chirac? What is Chirac? You know how long Chirac they bought? We never even business about it. You think Chirac is a new product? Long time it they bought before they did it. Right. When then carry a game, thing turn up. You don't even like them type of liquor there. Chirac is vodka. From here down my knee, me never see Iron Man. A food around vodka and them something there. It was a Roman them thing them. Thing was associated with Eastern Europe, Russia and them place there. Vodka. Them man they beat the vodka hard because vodka in your system come like you drink lava. And when they're in cold place there. Man want themselves, that's why enough of them country there, man drink themselves to death. Have alcoholic problems. Enough people use vodka, raw vodka, as a way to warm up themselves and keep themselves warm and do all kind of things to it. Like a fire yard drink. All of a sudden Jamaicans and Americans and all them Trinis and all kind of people. Yes, Chirac. The artist endorse it and they make him artist friend him endorse it. It's no cool, so no more want it. So now you walk on the shelf, a white rum you really drinking, but now you go see the Chirac. The imagery, the sounds endorse Chirac, and now you turn to Chirac and take it up and go and buy it and you don't even like them sing. Someone that doesn't like liquor, period, I wanna still buy it. We're not an alcohol enthusiast. You don't drink, you don't take a sip of Hennessy VSOP and go, well, this tastes like, or you don't drink a bottle of wine and be like, well, this comes from the region of the north and it look like, let me see, these grapes were around for maybe 20 years before they were, you're not expert. You don't even like liquor. Or the imagery. Why you think advertisements, every good advertisement have one night, a jingle. If somebody say, buy this bread, if somebody say, buy these shoes, it is cool, you're like, whatever. But if when them give to somebody who can sing and the somebody say, buy these shoes, it is cool, all of a sudden, it's stuck in your head. Buy these shoes, it is cool. Buy these shoes, it is cool. If you sing it, it becomes mesmerizing. And now, you start by the shoes. Every good advertisement have a jingle. Every good advertisement have a jingle. Because advertisers spend millions trying to understand what make people move and how you get people to take up things where they wouldn't be normally interested in. And they know now music can do that. This is why artists get contract to sponsor this and sponsor that and sing this jingle and sing that. You ever go a stage show and see an artist go up on the stage and take him and him go so, alright everybody go so, and the whole crowd are pump them under the ear. Wielding extraordinary power over the human mind and body. Go so, and a pump non-stop. Lock out the music and make a man go up the guitar and say, oh, go so, and people look at him like, I want to eat that here. It no matter how much money Michael Leachin have, if he go up on a stage and give a speech and him goes, everybody go so, people look at him like, I want to that madman here. But any art artist, once him capture people with the music, Go so. You don't even want. You know that long time classic song? Slide to the left. Crisscross now. Anything that can make your body do things involuntarily is powerful beyond scope of your imagination. To dismiss it as mere entertainment and just a little fun and gain is simpleton behavior. If it was just entertainment, why DJs agree to stop singing Boom Bye Bye and Chichi Man? It's just art. The It's Just Art would also protect Boom Bye Bye, wouldn't it? Remember the same artist say, you think we are laugh, we kill people and drink blood. Man fi dead, but you know we're not safe no lead. Gunshot for bust up in an informer head. Remember that song? The same artist who said that, say Boom Bye Bye and Ashpart head. But the human rights groups and the people who care about human lives and all them things there, spookily only care about Boom Bye Bye. They didn't cancel Informer for Dead. When artists were saying Informer for Dead, where was the human rights groups? Right? Where was the Rainbow Community say, hey, you can't say that, these are people. They not care. They look like quote unquote informers and not people. Artists make fun of everybody. If you're broke, they make fun of you. If you're close cheat, they make fun of you. If you can't get no woman, they make fun of you. Right? But only when it comes on to the Rainbow Community, all of a sudden words wasn't just words anymore. The so-called rebel, the Casco version, the DJ me I talk about, the Bashko version of Malcolm X, the wannabe Malcolm X, wannabe rebel, right, who done drop on him knees and said out long time, so we're not really interested in anything Mapete. Right? Buju Banton, just to be clear. The one who is yet to hold up him on and show any kind of accountability. The one who lie to himself and tell him, he just a look innocent man because he never wanted the money come to him and you don't see man for video at his school. That brother there fell on his knees. Right? Buju have said some outlandish things over the years. Buju said some girl under them body jaw black. So them for buy nothing all and deal with the case. Enough women were offended by that. Buju have lyrics were borderline. Right. I mean, I think it's gone over the border. Right. But borderline, rapeable argument, you know. Buju say, girl, me serious. Me have to get you tonight. I forget. Right. An eagle eye there. Even by gunpoint. And Jamaican theater, I know the biggest song that Jamaican history that. Rapeable lyrics. If a man said that to you, just say it to you. If a man walk up to you casually and say, hey girl, I'm serious and I forget you tonight. I forget your body, even by a gunpoint. Should I run and scream? Should I go file a report on an HR? But if you sing it, hey girl, I'm serious. Just sing it, man. It's different. No, if you say but are just words, then why never follow him own principle and say, well, Boom Bye Bye is just words, so I now apologize for nothing, I mean I keep singing the song. So they know it's not just words. Them know that. T.O.K. No, sing Chichi Man again. Chichi Man a T.O.K. biggest song. No song that get a bigger forward. T.O.K. not have a single song that give a bigger forward than Chichi Man. Them have other big song, them have wipe a big song, right? Or you can come back on them song that big song. But if you talk about forward, the biggest song with T.O.K. have will get the biggest forward is Chichi Man. And then now sing it again. Why you not sing art, bro? It's just art. It's just entertainment. No Muslim would tolerate you dissing the Prophet Muhammad in our song. And say, well, I just art, I just music. You mad? No Jew would accept you saying nothing about them synagogue in a song and tell them, bro, I just words, bro. You mad? But the Jamaican quote-unquote Christian earman say F in the church, you get in that spirit and say I just song. Just you want to keep listening to the artist. And don't want to face himself in the mirror and say he's a fraud. So he want to go church on Sunday and then right through the week now, right? Him have on the playlist, F in the church, get in that spirit. Frauds! Frauds! Sing a song endorsing pedos then. Since you say, when you sing song, or even though you endorse badness in a song, no really endorse badness, I just wordplay. Alright, then sing a song endorsing pedo. Since I just art. Them say, yo, we don't support them thing there. Oh, say support badness and gang culture. No man, I just words. So now you're in a cycle of, brain cell killing back and forth. So you wouldn't think about this kind of support and endorse it, no. So when you say you support this and that means say you do endorse it. No man, just words. Alright, genius. Understand this. In order for something to happen more, it must first be normalized. It must be normalized. For something to happen regularly in a society, like freely and openly, it must be normalized. One of the best ways to do this is to get the people with social power to endorse it. Remember, the bleach out tattoo up look was once a sprat look. I remember those days clearly. I remember the days when the bleach out tattoo up look, man couldn't even sit down on the corner and rest a man them. Man actually run them, man. Have to lift up. Right? That a sprat. A woman that tell you you can't get the eagle eye. Right? Cause no man enough look so. That's way back in the day. That is now reversed. Right? Now the bleach out tattoo look is a gallus thing now. And now woman a run that down. A man who no bleach out and tattoo a struggle to get gal. One of the favorite artists them have completely normalized this look, and one in particular. Let's call a spade a spade. Right. World Sprat took that sprat look and made it cool. World Sprat took enough things from his community. That community, same one way. I sprat, right? With him like bury underneath for how long and slowly bring it to the surface and make it cool, and now it's normalized. A matter of fact, when we look at enough of them new artists nowadays, all me I see are like newer versions of like World Sprat. Right? They almost come like him spawn them, like they like his little minions. Enough of them they like him. The look what them have them, I go tell you say, yo, nothing for them, but all me I see a World Sprat influence man enough of them. Look on the dancehall artist image before World Sprat and look on it after World Sprat. King and them you there. Them are like the bastard spawns of the World Sprat. Right? He's made that look normal. So you can turn on anything. Dancehall music is now pushing topics where we never know that live to hear them at all. Things that were once taboo and we not talk about the club. Right? No, normal. It just in our people brain. Jamaican's attitude towards Guzo changed because of music. One time if you go up on the corner and tell them man about no Guzo and no science and no sacrifice and no man is licking the head of the board. No, all in a corporate Jamaica man sit down and talk about Guzo. Woman in a heels and makeup. Hair did. Lashes did. Man that in suit and tie. Sit down at Grace Kennedy having open conversations about Guzo. Same thing the DJ them endorse. It's cool and it becomes normalized. The same thing applies to badness. Murder. If you can get that again, going back to the pitbull and the oxtail. Just outer steps. People say, yeah, but me listen to it and you listen to it, right? And me on 87. No. That's not how it works. That's not how it works. First thing, by having that residing in your subconscious, right? When you actually see it in person, it's not as shocking. Because it's already normalized in your head. Enough Jamaicans who do have nothing to do with badness love badness and don't realize. They don't even realize them love badness. They might tell you, out of them mouth, they might say, me no support them thing there. But if you look at their actions, that's something else. And of course, me listen to it, and I'm not saying that when you listen to a bad man song, you're going to stun a bad man. That's not how it works. Sometimes I feel like I'm wasting my breath. You know what, to make things easier, let me give you another analogy. Some man catch flu, some man catch big C and don't even get a symptom. Somebody else catch flu and dead. Even if they had some other form of, some underlying condition were dead when they catch the flu, it would be ridiculous to argue that the flu is harmless to make everybody catch it. Some people catch flu and brush it off in a days, some people dead. Even if there was an underlying condition, it would still be ridiculous to argue that flu is harmless because you're not dead and your friend not dead. Even if you had an existing condition, it was the flu that pushed you over the edge. Not because everybody don't succumb to it. Enough people crash in a car with no seatbelt and live. Some people get gunshot and live. You can't sit up on a corner and be like, yo, don't listen to them and tell us, yo, gunshot a bad thing, yeah, man. Gunshot can't be a bad thing because, see, me get shot and me live. So, that man over there, so when they say get shot and dead, I can't gunshot kill him, dog. Because me they get shot and me not dead. Me I say, so that means I lie them and tell dog that she say gunshot can't hurt nobody, dog. Because see me there, I see me good, me I walk on everything good, dog. That can say me alright, dog. That is ridiculous. Different people respond differently to different stimuli. Whatever that stimuli is. Not because it's not as effective on you. See, somebody linked me one time and said, the uptown girl, I hear talk about kerosene, and the uptown girls listen to the same music, and they don't, that's where you go wrong. Uptown girl, gunman living at them all same way. Uptown, speaky, spokey, well educated, sophisticated, right, domesticated, right, liberated. Gunman living at them whole same way. You want to make C4 tell them about that? Do you want C4 for break on up achy breaky hearts and telling them how much girl but uno would have kill for itch up round a Larriston and Marshpen Road, getting their back blown to smithereens by 87s? Uno want to hear how much on a favorite goody two shoe them, right? Too bad and bad has used to have. Uno want to hear girl we work in a bank. We work down Alaska, down a Grace Kennedy. Right. Take them salary, carry go give you for buy a shot. You don't want to hear about that? You don't want to hear about that. This argument about uptown girl them listen to the city and they, no they're not. They're not different. Gunman blow them back too. I'm not talking about with no gunshot. Me talk about back shot. Black, 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 black. And in the 9, I make that sound there. A fantasy world you live in. Fantasy world. In the real world, right, their city culture is captivating even the goody two shoe. They call them kerosenes and they just want an opportunity to eat food. You think Tom Tavares' daughter couldn't eat unless dog for provide food? Stop it. I know it's hard to accept because the girl of your dreams, where you save up 6 months salary for carry go one big fancy restaurant, because you think that's how you will get her, right? Is giving away the eagle eye, right, to a youth who you think, right, she would never be interested in. So you tell yourself, bro, it's because of the poverty, bro. No. It's appealing to them. They are fascinated with the badness and the badness culture and the bad man. The girl where you are spend your last span. The shot I get it for free. The girl where now driving a year car because she said, right, your fitness up last week. She dep on too bad bike. And too bad bike don't even have on a license plate. That's what you tell yourself to feel better about being rejected by the girl of your dreams. Bro, uptown girl, you might get them back blow too. I'm saying, too much simple link me. You talk about the kerosene, but the girls all do that because they want the chance to go there. I'll Billy Joe that I go learn how to braid ear so she can sit down on a Larry stand and plait gunman head. Right on the corner. So the argument that how come this and how come that? My youth work at Deno and Geddes. My youth work at Lasco. My youth work at Nestle. ATL Automotive. You goody two shoe co-worker. Right? We can barely open her mouth. We are look her out long and try to tell about she want to ring before she get an eagle eye. If you ever know which corner she down night time get her back blow. And she not tell the man to bring the ring. The one that's a student and she eat the banana. She go like her mouth can open for growing the banana. Well her mouth are growing somebody else banana. Oh Mr. Tally man tally me banana. And the banana me I talk about. The banana they can breed. Anyway, I'm rest my case or so. If you know what that, you know Gary. You know, down the road I'll give you another one. Look at YouTube style. Come Mr. Tally man tally me banana. They like come man, go. Patreon squad big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.